Interesting piece from Reuters Breakingviews this morning entitled "Brazil's BRIC Status at Stake in this Runoff Election." Talks about a country reverting to a default-prone inflationary basket case. Is that fair?
Well, I think that's not really fair. I mean, Brazil has not been really going in the right direction over the last 6 years or so, but the country is certainly not heading for to default or things like that. But I think the elections of yesterday give actually hope that there will be change, and that's what the market will focus on in the short term.
How will that change manifest itself, do you think? What is likely to happen in this runoff, first off?
Well, it looks like it will be a close election between President Dilma and Aécio Neves. And Aécio is let's say, the most market-friendly candidate. As it looks, things look now that it really can be very close. So if Aécio wins 60% of the votes of Marina Silva, who didn't make it yesterday, then he's already like at 48% or so of the second round result. So he needs only a little bit more.
And what do investors do in the meantime? Do they bid these markets up in the hope that he'll get that much?
I think the first reaction of the market will probably be very strong, because Brazil has been weak in the last few weeks because Marina Silva was falling in the polls, and now Aécio, which is even a more market-friendly candidate, is maybe going to win the second round, so that will be priced. So I expect really some strong markets, particularly today, but maybe the next few days.
Can Aécio really jumpstart this economy without hitting those all-important social programs?
Yeah, I think, he will certainly create some kind of boost to confidence in the short term, because when he comes to power, if he would come to power, he will bring a lot of people that investors will like. So he brings ministers that people know already from the past, and he will have to do reforms. And in his program, there's a lot of reforms. So he has to improve the investment climate, which has been particularly weak in Brazil. He has to do fiscal reform, social security reform, and at the same time he has to make sure that he doesn't tear down all the social programs that President Lula and President Dilma have put in place. So it will be difficult, but in the beginning I think the market reaction will be very positive.